Welcome back, Millersville. My name is Ethan Hughes, student meteorologist, here to give you the latest in Millersville and Pennsylvania weather. Now you can take a look here on the screen. I have current satellite imagery over the United States. As you can see here, we have a low pressure system here forming in the Ohio Valley, which is accompanied with a cold front as well that will come through the Mid-Atlantic region. And if you look all the way down here into the Caribbean, we also have Hurricane Melissa. I will get a little bit more into that as we go along in this program. As you can see here, I have Skycam footage live here in Lancaster County. As you can see, we have clear and sunny conditions here, which will lead to a nice clear and cool evening here in the valley. If you look at the climatology for today we had a high around 57 degrees, which is slightly below the normal average high of 60 degrees. We also recorded a low of 45 degrees, which is slightly above the average of 40 degrees. We did not record any precip today, and today was mostly sunny with some scattered clouds. And if you look again here into tonight, you can see we'll have mostly clear and cool conditions with lows around 43 to 47 degrees. Tomorrow will be partly cloudy with highs in 56 to around 60 degrees, and Wednesday will be mostly sunny with highs 53 to 57 degrees. And if we take a look at this map here, you can see we have Hurricane Melissa situated right down here with maximum sustained winds of about 175 miles per hour, moving north at about 3 miles per hour. It will be expected to strengthen over the next few hours as it makes its way towards Jamaica for landfall sometime later tonight or into Tuesday morning. We could see life-threatening storm surge of up to 15 to 20 feet. We could also see rain to about 2 to 3 feet as well, and many landslides as well, and rough surf and rip current conditions all along the Gulf of Mexico, as well as parts of the eastern Atlantic coast. And as you can see then too, it will enter Cuba as still a strong Category 4 hurricane, as it will make its way also through the Bahamas and out to the Atlantic towards Bermuda as a lower end Category 2 hurricane. And if we take a look at the screen here, we do have Hurricane Melissa here. You can see that the eye of the hurricane is currently strengthening. We have something called lightning convection in the eye, which basically indicates that there is still intensification that is going to still happen with the storm. And if you look at the colors here, you can see that the pink is tightening around the eye, which is again resembling intensification. We will then start to see a more northerly and northeasterly turn into Jamaica, which the eye of the hurricane will give you anywhere between 180 and 185 mile per hour winds. So there'll be devastating infrastructure damage into Jamaica. Jamaica is going to experience widespread flooding. There will be communication and technological issues for at least the next few months, as the storm is going to knock out most of the power grid and any of the cell phone services, anything like that. And if we take a look here into tonight, you can see temperatures across the United States. We'll focus more here on the Mid-Atlantic side. Mid-Atlantic, you can see anywhere from low to mid-30s to possible low 40s, clear and cool conditions. And if we take a look here into Tuesday, you can see it'll be mostly sunny skies with highs around the mid-50s and possible low 60s as well. If we take a look here into Tuesday night, you can see again it'll be nice and cool and clear conditions with low 30s to mid-30s possible for lows. And then if we take a look here into Wednesday, you can see again mostly sunny skies with some clouds mixed in there with highs in the mid to upper 50s. And if we take a look here into Wednesday night, you can see we will see that storm system come in, and it will bring us beneficial rain, about half an inch to an inch of rain, which will keep our temperatures above the normal average lows in the low to mid 40s and possible upper 40s as well. And then if we look into Thursday, you can see that we'll still have lingering showers and possible thunderstorms as the cold front and the low pressure system makes its way through, with highs in the low to mid 50s. So if you're going to class in the morning, make sure you take your ponchos and you take your umbrellas as you're going to class. And also for you people who are participating in the trunk or treat, just be weather aware that there could possibly be some showers as we get towards that time of trunk or treat. And if we take a look at the Euro model here, you can see that we have a high pressure centered over us here in the Mid-Atlantic region. There will be a possible low disturbance that will go off the Atlantic that won't affect us here into Tuesday. However, if you look into Wednesday, you look into the Ohio Valley here, you can see that we have a low pressure accompanying with a cold front that will come through the region and bring us some heavy rain and some possible thunderstorms. About a half an inch to an inch of rain is expected. And as that storm system does come by, you will see a cold front come through, bringing us more windy conditions as we enter Friday and into the weekend. And if we take a look here at the 7-day, you can see at the beginning of the week here, we'll have highs in the mid to upper 50s with lows in the mid to upper 30s. And then as we go along here into Thursday, you can see that there will be a beneficial rain from that low pressure system with highs in the mid to upper 50s. And then the rest of the weekend, you'll see mostly sunny conditions with some clouds, but it'll be very windy with highs in the mid to upper 50s. And that is it for the weather for here. Thank you. And back to you, Lauren.